Mabuhay, this is Alexi Fernandez from Davao City. Naako karon din sa atbang sa Ligid 1 ug Ligid 2. Actually, I think this is Balet, this one. This is a very nice view, a very nice place. Samal Island. That is the view of a Ligid 1, Ligid 2. This one. Hi guys, hindi kayo bababa? Baba kayo. Itong kasama ko si Lotse.
Hi.
Si Edna. Lito. They are my friends. Nag-drop by kami. Actually, this is a Balet, Barangay Balet. Ang background namin is private island. Hindi ko pwedeng sabihin sinong may-ari, basta Ligid 1 and the other one is Ligid 2. This one. Thank you everyone. Thank you to all my followers, my friends. Continue to likes and to shares. God bless us all.